In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted emails in Outlook, which many of you may know by its former name, Hotmail. Whether you're using Outlook through the website or the application, these simple steps will help you recover those important emails you thought were lost forever. Let's dive into the process together. First things first, you need to open Outlook and sign into your account. You can do this by visiting Outlook.com in your web browser or by launching the Outlook application if you're using a computer. Go ahead and enter your login details to access your email account. This is your starting point for recovering those deleted emails. Once you're signed in, you'll want to direct your attention to the navigation pane usually located on the left side of your screen. Among the list of folders, you should see one labeled Deleted Items. This folder is where most deleted emails end up initially. If you're hoping to restore an email, this is the first place to look. Now, if you find the email you're looking for in the Deleted Items folder, you can easily restore it. Simply select the email by clicking on it. Next, look for an option to restore it. This is commonly represented as a curved arrow icon or may simply say Restore. Clicking this will send the email back to its original location, whether that's the inbox, sent items, or wherever it started before being deleted. This quick action can save the day when you've accidentally hit delete. But what if the email isn't in the Deleted Items folder? Don't worry, there's still hope. The next step is to check the Recoverable Items folder. If you scroll down in the folder list, you might see an option that says Recover Items Deleted from this folder, or something similar. Click on this. You'll then see a collection of emails that have moved beyond the Deleted Items folder but are not yet gone for good. This is essentially your last chance to bring them back. Just like before, choose the email you would like to recover and click on the option to restore or restore selected items. Once you've managed to restore an email to its original folder, you might need to hunt for it. Use the search bar at the top of Outlook by typing in part of the subject line or sender's email to bring it up quickly. Keep in mind, emails residing in the Deleted Items folder remain recoverable, but usually only for a limited time. Most commonly around 30 days. The same recovery window applies to messages in the Recoverable Items folder. However, do be mindful, once emails are deleted from there, they become permanently unrecoverable. Hence, acting promptly can make all the difference. That's it for today's tutorial on recovering deleted emails in Outlook. Hopefully, these steps make the process straightforward and stress-free. Thanks for tuning in.